So, you're tasked with improving performance, but you're not sure where to start. That's where a needs assessment comes in. It's not just about figuring out if training is needed. It's about identifying the core issues that are impacting performance and finding the right solutions to fix them. A needs assessment helps you uncover the gaps, whether those are skills-based, resource-related, or even process-driven. Once you know where those gaps are, you can prioritize the most critical ones and focus on what matters most. Let's break it down into 5 key steps. First, ask yourself, why are you doing this assessment? Are you trying to improve efficiency, enhance skills, or boost overall performance? Having a clear purpose keeps you focused on the end goal. Now it's time to collect data. This could be through surveys, interviews, focus groups, you name it. The goal is to understand the current landscape and figure out where things are breaking down. Once you've got your data, analyze it. Look for the gaps. Where are people struggling? What processes aren't working? What's missing in the resources or skills that could be holding the team back? Not every gap needs immediate attention, so it's crucial to prioritize. Focus on the issues that will have the biggest impact, whether that's a quick fix that will immediately improve performance or a long-term change that will lead to greater efficiency. Finally, you'll create an action plan. This is your roadmap for addressing those needs. It outlines what needs to be done, who's responsible, and how you'll measure success. The result? A comprehensive report that not only identifies the needs but also gives you a clear strategic plan to tackle them. This ensures you're solving the right problems and getting the most out of your efforts. So remember, a needs assessment isn't just about training, it's about finding the right solution to the right problem. When done well, it leads to more effective interventions, whether that's training, process improvements, or something else entirely. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Remember, we ensure your creativity and innovations are simplified.